Arrive. Arrive. He arrived early for the meeting. He arrived early for the meeting. Ask. Ask. Please ask me if you have any questions. Please ask me if you have any questions. Believe. Believe. I believe in you. I believe in you. Check. Check. Did you check the mail? Did you check the mail? Consider. Consider. He was seriously considering an appeal. He was seriously considering an appeal. Describe. Describe. Can you describe the problem? Can you describe the problem? Discuss. Discuss. They met to discuss the possibility of working together. They met to discuss the possibility of working together. Enjoy. Enjoy. I enjoyed the movie. I enjoyed the movie. Expect. Expect. What do you expect from me? What do you expect from me? Feel. Feel. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. Follow. Follow. Follow the medical instructions. Follow the medical instructions. Forget. Forget. Don't forget your keys. Don't forget your keys. Give. Give. I will give you a call later. I will give you a call later. Go. Go. I am going to the park. I am going to the park. Imagine. Imagine. Imagine if you could fly. Imagine if you could fly. Learn. Learn. I am always learning new things. I am always learning new things. Listen. Listen. Listen carefully to what I have to say. Listen carefully to what I have to say. Love. Love. I love my family and friends. I love my family and friends. Make. Make. I need to make dinner. I need to make dinner. Miss. Miss. I miss you when you're not around. I miss you when you're not around. Need. Need. I need to go to the bathroom. I need to go to the bathroom. Remember. Remember. Remember to call your doctor. Remember to call your doctor. Say. Say. Can you say that again? Can you say that again? See. See. I saw your friend at the store today. I saw your friend at the store today. Solve. Solve. Can you help me solve this problem? Can you help me solve this problem? Start. Start. Start your day with a smile. Start your day with a smile. Take. Take. Please take a seat. Please take a seat. Think. Think. I need to think carefully before making a decision. I need to think carefully before making a decision. Wait. Wait. Wait here for me, please. Wait here for me, please. While. While. I was reading while she was watching TV. I was reading while she was watching TV. Answer. Answer. What is the answer? What is the answer? Book. Book. I am reading a good book. I am reading a good book. Car. Car. I need to wash my car. I need to wash my car. Computer. Computer. I'm working on my computer. I'm working on my computer. Decision. Decision. It's a difficult decision to make. It's a difficult decision to make. Dinner. Dinner. What's for dinner tonight? What's for dinner tonight? Dream. Dream. I had a strange dream last night. I had a strange dream last night. Experience. Experience. He has a lot of experience. He has a lot of experience. Fact. Fact. It's a fact that the earth is round. It's a fact that the earth is round. Feeling. Feeling. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? Food. Food. I am hungry for food. I am hungry for food. Friend. Friend. She is my best friend. She is my best friend. Future. Future. What does the future hold? What does the future hold? gift, gift. I got a gift for my birthday. I got a gift for my birthday. Hope, hope. Never lose hope. Never lose hope. House, house. I live in a small house. I live in a small house. Joke, joke. That joke was so funny. That joke was so funny. Knowledge, knowledge. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Language, language. English is my favorite language. English is my favorite language. Money, money. I need to save money. I need to save money. Music, music. I love listening to music. I love listening to music. Nature, nature. I love spending time in nature. I love spending time in nature. Peace, peace. There is no peace in the world. There is no peace in the world. Problem, problem. We need to find a solution to this problem. We need to find a solution to this problem. School, school. I am going to school today. I am going to school today. Time, time. It's time to go. It's time to go. Water, water. I need to drink some water. I need to drink some water. Work, work. I enjoy my work. I enjoy my work. Angry, angry. He was angry because I was late. He was angry because I was late. Bad, bad. I had a bad day. I had a bad day. Beautiful, beautiful. She has beautiful eyes. She has beautiful eyes. Big, big. That is a big dog. That is a big dog. Busy, busy. I'm too busy to talk right now. I'm too busy to talk right now. Calm, calm. Take a deep breath and be calm. Take a deep breath and be calm. Cold, cold. It is very cold outside. It is very cold outside. Comfortable. Comfortable. This chair is very comfortable. This chair is very comfortable. Delicious. Delicious. That cake looks delicious. That cake looks delicious. Different. Different. Every cat has a different personality. Every cat has a different personality. Difficult. Difficult. This task is too difficult for me. This task is too difficult for me. Easy. Easy. It's an easy task. It's an easy task. Expensive. Expensive. That car is too expensive. That car is too expensive. Famous. Famous. He is a famous actor. He is a famous actor. Friendly. Friendly. He is a friendly person. He is a friendly person. Funny. Funny. That joke was really funny. That joke was really funny. Good. Good. She baked some really good cookies. She baked some really good cookies. Happy. Happy. I am feeling happy. I am feeling happy. Healthy. Healthy. It's important to eat healthy food. It's important to eat healthy food. Hot. Hot. It is very hot today. It is very hot today. Important. Important. It's important to treat others with respect. It's important to treat others with respect. Interesting. Interesting. This book is very interesting. This book is very interesting. Kind. Kind. She is a kind person. She is a kind person. Lazy. Lazy. I'm feeling lazy today. I'm feeling lazy today. Quiet. Quiet. Please be quiet, you're talking too loud. Please be quiet, you're talking too loud. Sad. Sad. I am feeling sad. I am feeling sad. Small. Small. My apartment is small. My apartment is small.